Good
Good
afternoon,
afternoon,
all of
sir.
you. Join with your videos. Yes, fast.
Good morning, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Bada.
Good
Join
afternoon,
with your
sir.
videos.
Good afternoon, Manoj.
Good afternoon,
Good
Miss.
afternoon to all my
Good afternoon,
students.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon. One request to all the students it is that they are not putting their roll numbers and their complete name with their class and section, and not in serial order.
Hey, all of you know your roll numbers. You see here. First, you type roll number, then your name and section.
Their name and their
Sir,
class,
roll number we
then
don't
their
know.
section. And they are putting anywhere the names, not in serial order, alphabetical order. मेरे को attendance लेने को मुश्किल हो रहा है.
Yes, yes, Miss. Yes, switch on your videos. Most of the students not switch on your videos. Divya,
Complete,
Ayush,
all of you, every time don't make us to
Amar,
inform you to switch on your
Bharat,
videos.
Uma,
Fast.
Uma Patnurkar. Yes, Miss.
Switch on your videos, beta, fast, everybody.
Fast.
Yes.
Again and again, daily we are giving.
Every time I have to tell like one small baby nursery students. Dhanashri, come on. Switch on your video, Dhanashri.
Sir, last year roll number we need to use.
Last year, no, re. This year, you know, na roll
This
number.
year. Okay, they may be not knowing, but tell them to put their names properly. They may be not knowing the roll number, no, sir?
Here, in WhatsApp group, already we posted the one list, your section wise.
Okay.
If you don't know, at least you type your name and section properly. Full name you type there.
And come in serial order, alphabetical. Come on, everybody, fast. Switch on your videos. Krishna, every time Krishna come in here, I have to tell you to switch on your video. Shyam Modi, Gauri Achwad, Dhanashri is over. Okay. Gaurav,
No
switch
problem.
on your video, beta.
Fast, bada. Jaldi.
Sai Kendre, Tanish,
Very good. Riddhi.
Bharat Palwan,
Riddhi Maliwal.
Bhakti, put your name properly, Bhakti. First put your name, then put your class and your section.
Uma Patnurkar,
Right,
after long
10th
time you
rows.
join the classes. Hereafter you don't miss your grades.
Janavi Kulkarni, how many times to tell you, beta, to put your section, class and section.
Janvi, Jayesh,
Mokshada, you
Mokshada.
also.
Why you are hiding yourself?
Parvinder Kaur,
Yes.
put your class and then put your section, Parvinder.
Ritesh, Mokshada, what happened, bada? Janvi, are you there? We are consider you are not there. Only namesake you are
Tanish
joining the
Lavati.
classes. You are not switch on
First,
your videos. Mokshada
After
and
your
you.
name, put your class, 10th. Then
Here
put
is-
the row section. Roll
If I
number should
remove
come
na
first.
from my class, then I am not responsible and I can't join again. So immediately you switch on your videos. Fast.
Uma Patnurkar, put your
Anushka.
section, class and section.
Anushka Naktani.
Ayush
Fast, bada.
Rathi, Pratame Sarada, put your class
Some
and
students
section.
are hiding yourself. Why? Means you are playing games there.
Babies, nursery babies. Prathamesh, put your class, beta.
Ritesh Polshetwar, are you there or are remove from my class? क्या करना है? Remove करूँ क्या? जल्दी से. Ritesh.
Soham, who is this Soham? Soham Bhasikar, no? Where is your surname?
Anushka Patil, your camera also. Hitin, Hiren Banushali, Janvi Kulkarni, Fast bada. Fast, why you are not switch on your videos? See here, this is your old passion. My camera is not working, network issues. Whatever your issues now, today you solve it.
Why you all are feeling shy to see each other? Don't want to see each other?
No, means
First
some
of all,
are
you are in
playing
home.
only namesake. They are
19.
joined and playing.
Ah,
That's why
you
they are
should be
not
so
switch
happy
on
to
the
see your
videos.
friends, your
Those who are
teachers.
sincere, they join with videos, no problem.
Good,
But
Soham
those who
Basikar, very
want to play
good.
games, chatting with others, they are not switch on the
Tanish
video.
Naughty, put properly, beta. Roll number of first put. Then put your
Michael Var,
class.
Divya Eravar. Yes, fast beta. Gauri. Good. Tejbir Singh.
Tanmay Kulkarni, what happened?
Tanmay.
Your class and section is not there.
Tanmay.
Tanmay,
Fast.
put your class and your section. Good boy, you are obedient, huh? Always he is with the video on.
No. All are good boy, miss. This
Hey,
section.
Atharva,
Lily and Rose.
always.
Very good section.
Gangotri,
And it's my favorite
Ruturaj,
section,
all.
these two sections.
रितेश क्लास डाल लो, आपका क्लास डाल दो और सेक्शन भी डाल दो. साक्षिता कल्याणकर, which class you are beta?
Srushti, what
Nursery or
happened? Beta?
10th
Your
standard?
camera again you switch off. Srushti, what happened? See here, yesterday we learnt about the accessibility of K. Now you understood this topic, yesterday's topic. Yes, what is meant by accessibility? Who can use the accessibility
Good, Parvinder,
features?
good.
Yes, students, any doubts? And your exam is also start from 10 June. Anyone have doubts? You clear your doubts today. Also my prayed, tomorrow also my prayed. If you face any difficulty from session 2nd to 8th, always you can, or anytime you send me message and ask your doubts in class or WhatsApp. Okay. Now see here, yesterday some topic I revised first. Now what do you know about the accessibility? Accessibility means what? Accessibility refers to the services that help people with disabilities in performing their task or work without difficulties. That is known as accessibility. Okay. Now, what is computer accessibility? Computer accessibility aims to means easygoing the computing process for people with different types of impairment. Okay. Yesterday we learned about the different types of impairment. Okay. With the help of computer application or operating system, they can compute or process and utilize the system and functions and do their task or work. Okay. And these all options help disabled people to use a computer without any problem. And yesterday we taught the assistive technology. What is meant by assistive technology? Yes, assistive technology refers to the hardware or software. Assistive technology क्या है? It is a combination of hardware or software and designed to help people with disability. Yesterday I told you the some examples of assistive technology, hardware ke. Which example? Suppose means wheelchair, scooter, walker, then hearing aids. Some people can't hear clear sound. If you want to hear clear sound, they can use the hearing aids, and these hearing aids to help people hear more clearly sound. This is the examples of assistive technology. And some impairments also we learned. Which impairments? Yes, yesterday we learned about the cognitive impairment. What is cognitive impairment? See here, cognitive impairment is when a person has trouble for remembering, can't learn the new things, not understanding the new things, or can't make the own decision. And some are the signs of the cognitive impairments. In that means always such type of persons are in confusion. Okay. Or they can lose short-term memory or long-term memory. These are the signs of cognitive impairment. Dyslexia. What is dyslexia? Dyslexia is a type of learning disabilities that causes problems with reading and sometimes speaking also. and autism. What is autism? मानसिक बीमारी, जिसको अपन क्या बोलते हैं, मानसिक बीमारी. And autism mostly found in the child. Okay, such type of child, they are not talk properly with others, means with parents or friends or brothers sisters. When we ask question, they are unable to respond the answers. Okay, and motor impairment. What is motor impairment? This impairment is related to a body function parts with a limb specially. Okay, लिम्स अगर वीक हो गए, लिम्स को इन्फेक्ट हुआ तो क्या होता है, दिस में रिजल्ट in muscle weakness, stamina, low stamina, poor stamina, or sometimes face the paralysis problems. These all are the impairments. अगर इतने impairments रहने के बाद भी such type of person can use the computer system with the help of the accessibility option and complete their work and task. Okay, now yesterday we learned about the filter key and sticky key. Okay, what is the difference between this? First we see the sticky key. What is the use of sticky key? Sticky key का use क्या है? Yes, who can use the sticky key? See here, I am sharing my screen. Yes, sticky key का use क्या है? See here, who can use the sticky key? Yes.
Those having finger problem, who
means
can't.
Physical
hand shivering,
disabilities.
hand shivering, they can't lift the fingers.
Hand shivering.
Here, okay, and see here, sticky key allows the
Controlling.
user to press and release a modifier key. See here, if some persons are facing with these disabilities and they want to use the modifier key, combination key, if you want to use the modifier key or combination key, we have to press both keys at a time, like Control S to save a file. If you want to select Control A, if you want to exit or shut down any application, we have to use the Alt plus F4. अगर किसी को एक ही फिंगर है तो कैसा करेगा, नहीं कर सकता वर्क, है कि नहीं, दो कीज एट ए टाइम प्रेस करना पड़ता है, होल्ड डाउन करना पड़ता है. So that time he can use the sticky key. How to activate the sticky key? Go to the control panel, then yes, then S of Assist Center, then S of Assist Center window will appear. In that we can select the which option, make the keyboard easier to use. In that you can select the sticky key. Once you select the sticky key, in system tray on taskbar, you can see this type of icons. What it indicate? It indicate your sticky key is activated. Then if you want to select all take, then first you press the control key and then press the A letter. Means एक के बाद एक की प्रेस करके भी आप modifier key का use कर सकते हो. Understand? Then next one we learned the here filter key. What is filter key? Yes, hand tremorous people, hand shake होते हैं, while typing they can't lift the finger fast. तो क्या होता है, कंटिन्यूअसली सेम अल्फाबेट्स टाइप होते हैं वर्ड में या फिर जो भी एप्लीकेशन यूज करे. इफ यू प्रेस ए विल बी प्रिंटेड देयर, टाइप देयर. ओके, व्हाई दे कांट लिफ्ट द फिंगर इमीडिएटली. सच टाइप ऑफ डिसेबिलिटीज पर्सन कैन यूज द फिल्टर की. ओके, दोनों भी सेम टाइप ही है, लेकिन वो मॉडिफायर की के लिए, और ये क्या करता है, इग्नोर रिपीटेड की स्ट्रोक. Okay, now how to use this? Again same, go to the control panel and select the S of Assist Center, then select the make the keyboard easier to use. In that you select the filter key. Once you select the filter key, then this icon will be activated. See here in system tray, means your key will be activated and you can give the duration. If suppose एक की अल्फाबेट प्रेस किया तो दूसरा अल्फाबेट आने के लिए उसमें डिले टाइम कितना चाहिए, 0.5 सेकेंड, 7 सेकेंड, 1 सेकेंड, 2 सेकेंड. some durations are there. It depends on the disabilities of that person. उसको कितना टाइम चाहिए, that we can set with the help of this option. So it ignores the repeated keystroke. You understand these two keys? Any doubt? Then next key is the toggle key. Now here all of you know very well toggle keys. You learned in the from 2nd to 6th standard keyboard lesson. keyboard is an input device. And how many keys are available on keyboard? On standard keyboard, 109 keys are available, and these keys are divided in different types like alphabetic key, numeric key, symbolic key, punctuation key, as like toggle key is also there. What is toggle key? Those keys have indicator on off होते हैं. That keys are called the toggle key. Okay. Here. कौन से key को रहता है toggle key? Here one student is joined here, Sonu Kumar. So all are joined here. So can I log the meeting?
Lock it.
Yes, sir.
All are present. Huh?
Yes. Now I log the meeting. No one can join hereafter. Okay. Now see here toggle key. जो कीज को इंडिकेटर रहते हैं ऑन ऑफ होते हैं कीबोर्ड पे, these keys are called the toggle keys such as caps lock, num lock, scroll lock, and your insert key is also toggle key. लेकिन वो इसमें नहीं दिए वाला है. Okay. But what is the use or feature of toggle key? It is an accessibility function which which is designed for people who have vision impairment or cognitive disabilities. Means not remembering, learning new things, not understanding things, can't make the decision, or those who face the vision problem. Okay. Means screen clearly नहीं दिखती है, या फिर लो ब्लाइंडनेस है, नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस है, उनको प्रॉपरली नहीं दिख रहा है, स्पेक्स नहीं है सपोज. Such person can use the toggle key. If you activate toggle key, then what will happen? It emits the sound when you press the caps lock. Toggle key पे जब turn on करते हो, press करते हो one time, it emits sound cues. Means beep आता है वहाँ पे, tone आता है beep का. देखो आप practically घर पे करके देख सकते हो. When you press the caps lock, then one sound will be emitted there. वहाँ पे sound आता है. When you press the num lock, when you press the caps lock, by hearing this sound, such persons can do their work and task and complete their task. Okay, understand? But for that we have to activate the toggle key. अपने को क्या करना पड़ता है? We have to activate the toggle key. How to enable the toggle key? See here. Again the same process. Go to the control panel. Okay. Then Ace of Access Center. Then again the same. Make the keyboard easier to use. कौन use कर रहा है? जिनको vision का problem है. Those who face the vision problem, at least by hearing sound, they can do their work or task. Now here you can select the toggle key. Already it is selected here. See here. If you select this checkbox, yesterday I told you the difference between checkbox and radio button. Checkbox means you can select the yes.
Multiple options.
Multiple option means you can select more than one option. Okay. And where is the radio button? Small white circle means there is a group, and if group is there, you can select only one choice from that group. Okay. Now see here are the checkbox means you can select them more than one option. Okay. But now we have to select the toggle keys and click on apply and okay. Now you press the caps lock. कैप्स लॉक को प्रेस करने के बाद साउंड आता है, बट नाउ यू कांट हियर द साउंड. ओके. आप आपके लैपटॉप पे सिस्टम पे करके देखो, ये साउंड आता है. मींस बाय हियरिंग दिस साउंड वी कैन डू आवर वर्क. ओके. नम लॉक, स्क्रॉल लॉक एंड कैप्स लॉक, ये तीनों भी टॉगल कीज है. जो कीज को इंडिकेटर रहते हैं, ऑन ऑफ होते हैं, दिस कीज आर कॉल्ड द टॉगल कीज. एंड इफ यू सेट द सेटिंग इनेबल द साउंड, then it gives the beep also. Understand? Yes, any doubt in toggle keys? Yes, anyone?
No, sir.
No doubts. Okay.
Sir, what is that scroll lock?
Scroll lock.
Who is
Where it
disturbing
is?
in middle?
Scroll lock. Scroll lock नहीं रहता है बेटा. Scroll lock से क्या होता है? Scroll lock की स्क्रॉलिंग जो करते हैं ना, पे देखो ये वर्टिकल स्क्रॉल बार एंड हॉरिजॉन्टल स्क्रॉल बार. अभी मैं ये माउस से कर रहा हूँ. किससे कर रहा हूँ? मैं माउस से कर रहा हूँ. हाँ, अभी मैं इसे एरो की से भी करता हूँ. स्क्रॉल लॉक हो रहा है. इफ यू off scroll log, then it will not be scroll. Excel में use में आता है, scroll नहीं होता है फिर arrow से, scroll log. Now next one is the filter key is over, your toggle key is also over, then sound tab. See here, ये जो भी ऑप्शंस बता रहा हूँ रेगुलर यूज में आपको सिस्टम में सेटिंग के लिए यूजफुल है. नाउ साउंड टैब इज आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, इफ यू वांट टू प्ले म्यूजिक, व्हेन यू वांट टू लिसन सॉन्ग्स, व्हेन यू वांट टू वॉच मूवीज, व्हेन यू वांट टू प्ले गेम्स, यू नीड साउंड. Yes, we.
Someone is disturbing. The mics are off of everybody.
Yes.
Shamodi's mic is on.
Mute yourself,
Shamodi,
all of
switch off
you.
your mic.
Mute yourself, bada. Fast. All are muted, miss. Now see here, sound sentry. When you want to play music, you need to set the sound. See here, on your system tray on taskbar here, you can see the sound system. From here, you can change the setting. Okay, ये mixer को click करने के बाद भी कर सकते हैं, but this is the not proper way. If you want to change the sound setting, and who can use the sound? See here, sound sentry, sound system कहाँ से डिजाइन करेंगे? Sound sentry का यूज क्या है? Sound sentry is designed to help users with hearing impairments or auditory impairments. Auditory hearing impairment में जो सुन नहीं सकते, जिनको साउंड क्लियरली सुनने में नहीं आता है, such person, such disabled person can use the sound sentry option. कैसा करेंगे? Sound sentry generates the visual warning. Visual warning क्या देता है? Such as a blinking title bar, flashing border, flashing active window और flashing caption bar. Flash होता है, मीन जो सुन नहीं सकते एटलीस्ट तो देख के वर्क कर सकते. They can do or complete their task by using or seeing the work. See here, I show you the first how to set the adjust the sound. Go to the control panel. Okay, in control panel sound option is here. कहाँ पे है sound? देखो यहाँ पे सर्च करो. Here is the sound option. Click here. Okay, now here sound window will appear. Here you can see the 4 tabs. Now see here green tick mark. What it indicate? Green tick mark. Green tick mark means your sound is working in your system, and this speaker HP means this is the name. HP laptop is there, that's why you can see the HP name. If you are using the Dell, that company name you can see. Then second tab, recording. Here recording आपके सिस्टम में होती है या नहीं, कैसा पता चलेगा? Your voice is inserting or not? How you came to know? With the help of this option. See here, microphone. Here green tick mark, and see here when I speak here, you can see the here green color blinking. दिख रहा है वहाँ पे? Means my microphone is working here. Okay. Now what is this? It indicates the recording. When you want to recording anything, that time you have to click this option. यहाँ से नहीं, ये सेट है. ये सेट यानी क्या है? इंडिकेशन है. अभी रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ है, इसलिए क्या दिख रहा है? रेड कलर. जब क्लिक करेंगे तो वहां पे ग्रीन कलर आ जाएगा. नाउ नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन टैब इज द साउंड. सी हियर, बाय डिफॉल्ट इन विंडोज प्ले विंडोज स्टार्टअप साउंड ऑप्शन इज सेलेक्टेड, बट इफ यू वांट टू चेंज फ्रॉम हियर यू कैन चेंज द साउंड स्कीम. आपको जो भी चाहिए वो करके देखो. बट बाय डिफॉल्ट इज द विंडोज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज प्ले विंडोज स्टार्टअप साउंड. ये बाय डिफॉल्ट रहता है. इफ यू वांट टू चेंज, here also many options, and here also some sound schemes. From here you can change the settings. Okay, understand, these are related with the sound setting. But now let us see the sound sentry. Who can use the sound sentry? Yes, though can't hear, it is the auditory impairment, hearing impairment, जो सुन नहीं सकते, उसके लिए sound sentry option है. Where it is found? It is found in ASOP SS Center again. See here, you click here, then उसके बाद क्या यूज करेंगे? This time you don't select the make the keyboard easier to use. कौन सा सेलेक्ट करना है फिर अभी? Yes. Now this time you have to select the. See here, your sound
Sir,
is
mute
coming.
it, no? Sir, mute your everyone.
Already muted, miss here. only one.
From where the sound is
one
coming? That you locked anybody? No, so I think the sound maybe.
Sir,
Mute
Soham
everyone.
Bhaskar is unknown.
Soham Bhosikar 10th Lily. That name is unknown, sir.
Whose
Atharva
sound ray?
Deshpande. Switch off your mic.
Ruturaj, mute yourself.
Everyone mute yourself.
Everyone already muted.
Don't disturb
Here
the
means.
class.
See here, concentrate here. Riddhi Maliwal, mute yourself. Riddhi. See here. Now give attention here. How to use the sound sentry option. Now this time you have to use the use text or usual alternative for sound. Means जिनको भी vision impairment है, means sorry, hearing or auditory problem है, they can use by showing the notification of visual. See here on your WhatsApp or Facebook notification option is there. Okay, notification आए तो आपको पता चलता है. Here also we can activate the some visual notification option. Now which option we have to use? This turn on visual notification for sound. Okay, this option helps to set up alternatives for sound and it benefits people with hearing or auditory impairment. Okay, now this sound sentry creates visual warning signs such as blinking title bar, flash active window, flash desktop. See here, 4 options are here, and this feature is helpful for those who can't hear or face some kind of difficulty in hearing sound sentry. Okay, now if you select this checkbox, then turn on visual notification for sound, means sound sentry will be activated. Here are the some visual warning. First, now here is the which button? These are the radio buttons. If radio buttons means you can select only one choice. Okay, here you can select only one choice. See here, what is the use of this radio button? Now you select the flash desktop and now click on the apply and OK. Now see here how it will show the visual warning by flashing the desktop. Now when I press the any key, देखो क्या रहा है, दिख रहा है क्या? See here, flashing desktop. This is the first visual warning notification. जो सुन नहीं सकते एटलीस्ट देख के वर्क कर सकते हैं. जो भी की एक्टिवेट करे, जो भी अपन ने डेस्कटॉप ओपन किए तो क्या आ जाएगा, ऐसा आ जाएगा. मीन्स व्हाट इट इंडिकेट्स यू हैव ओपन द न्यू डेस्कटॉप. नाउ सेकंड ऑप्शन इज द see here flash active window. Active window means on which you are working, on which you are working, that is known as active window. जिस पे भी वर्क कर रहे हैं वो आ जाएगा एक्टिव विंडो. ओके, whose sound is coming again? Soham
Bhosikar.
Soham Bhosikar.
Sir, he is unknown.
Sir, he is on his see his surname spelling, sir.
सोहम बोसीकर. उसको रिमूव ही कर देंगे, उसको रिमूव ही कर देता अभी. Now he removed Soham Bosikar. You understand this visual warning? Now I show you the next one. See here, now flashing active window and flashing desktop is near about the same. Flashing active window में क्या होता है? On which you are working, that is your flashing active window. Desktop में desktop पे जो work करे. Now flash active caption bar और title bar. देखो अभी ये कहाँ पे कैसा पता चलेगा, देखो दिख रहा है? See here, दिख रहा है क्या? See here,
No.
here यहाँ पे देखो टाइटल बार पे.
Yes, sir.
See here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, दिख रहा
है ना? हाँ. See here means by
Yes.
showing this visual notification, जिनको भी ऑडिटरी हियरिंग प्रॉब्लम है वो वर्क कर सकते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड दिस? यस, एनीवन हैव डाउट इन दिस?
No, sir.
नो ना? सो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज योर Now if you don't want, then you select the which option? None option. इसमें क्या select करना है? None. Okay, and then click on OK. Understand? Now next one is the display tab. See, a display tab is also very important. Regular setting के लिए भी आपको बहुत useful है. See here, display tab. Display tab is related with your brightness, contrast, and your resolution, and you are changing the icon size. Okay, हाँ, और कौन use कर सकते हैं display tab? This is also related with the vision impairment people. Okay, जिनको कम दिखता है, properly, clearly नहीं दिखता है, such person they can change the size, color, background color change कर सकते, brightness, contrast कम ज़्यादा कर सकते, हाँ? Means this display tab is also related with the vision impairment. Now I show you how to use the display tab. Now go to the control panel and then select here large icon or small icon. Now see here, where is the display tab? देखो कहाँ पे है? ASOP ऐसे सेंटर में नहीं जाना है आपको. Now here you can see the display. दिख रहा है? See here. Okay. Now here left hand side you can see the some options. Okay. Now here is the smaller and here is the medium. Again here small white circle mean radio button. You can select only one choice. If you select medium, then what will happen? Your icon size will be increased. Your font size will be increased. जिनको भी vision का problem है, such person can use the medium size. Okay. हाँ, यहाँ पे देखो प्रीव्यू में दिखता है आपको. ये प्रीव्यू में देखो इधर, here in preview. I can't apply here. अगर अप्लाई किए तो सेटिंग चेंज हो जाएगी लैपटॉप की. सी है, ये देखो यहाँ पे डेस्कटॉप पे क्या हो जाता है? बढ़ जाता है साइज, enlarge. Understand? Then next one is the adjust resolution. Now you heard this resolution option. What is resolution? Yes, resolution determine the clarity of your screen. जिसका जितना ज्यादा resolution उतना पिक्चर का clarity ज्यादा रहता है. Okay. And what is the unit of resolution? Pixels. If more pixels, more resolution, and more resolution means more clarity. Okay. And resolution is also determined depends on your the monitor size. अभी यहाँ पे according to my monitor size, my resolution is the 1366 into 768. It is recommended. Means fixed है. Means what is this? This indicates width and this is the height. अगर resolution कम किए तो क्या हो जाएगा? Clarity कम हो जाएगी. Now you can see in your TV. टेलीविजन है सबका, LCD LED है, उसको बंद करके देखो अंदर स्क्वायर बॉक्स दिखते हैं. That square box means pixel. जितने ज्यादा पिक्सेल्स उतना ज्यादा रिजोल्यूशन, जितना ज्यादा रिजोल्यूशन उतनी ज्यादा क्लियरिटी. And this resolution is depend on your monitor size. Okay, actually 4 types of resolutions are there: VGA, SVGA, XGA, and UXGA. You learned this resolution in previous classes? No. See here, VGA means video graphic array. Its resolution is 800 into 600. ये रहता है 800. ये कहाँ पे यूज करते थे? We are using only on the CRT monitor. Nowadays we are not using CRT monitor, इसलिए उसकी क्लैरिटी कम रहती है. CRT टेलीविजन भी थे, उसका क्या था? रिजोल्यूशन कम था, इसलिए क्लैरिटी कम थी. नाउ सेकंड वन SVGA, सुपर वीडियो ग्राफिक एरे. इट्स रिजोल्यूशन इज 1024 into 768. ये है देखो SVGA. अभी आपको दिखाता हूँ, देखो. नाउ यू चेक माय स्क्रीन how it is clear. Now when you click here, then what will happen? See here 1024 into 768. देखो my screen का size कैसा हो गया अभी. See here, क्लैरिटी चली गई, उसमें क्लैरिटी नहीं आती है. रिवर्ट कर दो, as it is हो जाएगा. Then XGA means extended graphic array. Its resolution is about the 1200 to 800. And the last one is the UXGA. More than 1300 means UXGA, ultra extended graphic array. And this all depends on your the monitor size. जितना monitor का size बड़ा है उतना resolution ज़्यादा रहेगा. Understand? Then second one is the here. Second one is the your brightness. You can change the brightness. See here. From here you can change the setting plans. Your what setting plans? क्या रहता है ये? See here. When जब भी चार्जिंग को लगाते हैं, प्लग करते हैं, बैटरी कम रहती है, ज्यादा रहती है, इंडिकेशन देने का ड्यूरेशन है. See in your mobile also, when you are not in your mobile, तो उसका बैकलाइट कम ज्यादा उसका ड्यूरेशन सेट कर सकते हैं. These all settings we can do with the help of this option. 1 minute on battery and plug in के लिए 2 minutes. Turn off the display 2 minutes, 5 minutes. This we can change from here, all settings. Okay. Then next option is change the display setting. Display setting तो अभी बताया था आपको मैंने. And who can use this? जिनको भी विजन का प्रॉब्लम है, they can't see properly, means projector. This option is very useful for you. What is the use of projector? See here, when you want to connect projector with your laptop or desktop, then no need of any technical person. With the help of this, you can adjust your projector. Okay, just you connect your HDMI port with your laptop or desktop. HDMI का पोर्ट जो रहता है, पिन रहती है, वो क्या करना है? लैपटॉप को कनेक्ट करना है. And go to the display tab and select the connect to a projector. Here 4 options you can see here. Computer only. Computer only means here whatever things you are running or working on your laptop or desktop, you can see only on your system only. Projector पे display नहीं होगा. Then second one is the duplicate. What is the use of duplicate? See here, when you want to see the same things, whatever working on your laptop or desktop on projector, laptop या desktop पे जो work कर रहे हो projector पे भी दिखाना है. That time you can select the duplicate. Now extended. What is the extended? See here, one more monitor. When you connect with your laptop or desktop, and the same thing you can see on that system. ये कहाँ पे देखने को मिलता है? दोनों में difference क्या है? Duplicate and extended. On duplicate, through projector also we can operate the thing, but in extended में operate नहीं कर सकता है. जो भी extend या connect किए वाला monitor है, ये कहाँ पे देखने को मिलता है? See here, आधार कार्ड जब निकालने जाते हैं तो extended monitor रहता है वहाँ पे. Whatever work he is doing in his system, the same you can see on that system also. Means उसके system से operate कर सकते हैं, लेकिन extended system से वो system अपन ऑपरेट नहीं कर सकते, सिर्फ थिंग्स देखने के लिए रहता है वो एक्सटेंडेड. ओके. और इन हॉस्पिटल आल्सो, हॉस्पिटल में भी आपको देखने को मिलता है. इन ओटी ऑपरेशन थिएटर में जो भी सर्जरी करते हैं, इट विल बी शो ऑन द स्क्रीन, स्क्रीन में दिखाते हैं. ओके. दैट टाइम वी कैन यूज द एक्सटेंडेड ऑप्शन. एंड द फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज द प्रोजेक्टर ओनली. मीन्स आपके सिस्टम पे नहीं देखना है, प्रोजेक्टर पे ही दिखाना है. दैट टाइम यू कैन सेलेक्ट द फोर्थ ऑप्शन. Understand? These all options are related with the display. Yes, anyone have doubt regarding this display? Yes. Anyone have doubt? Then your next key is the mouse key. अभी next key कौन सी है? Mouse key है. But now your mouse key, cursor key and serial key. Only 3 keys are remain. Tomorrow I can complete this topic and lesson also will be completed. And tomorrow I will take your quiz also. So you prepared yourself. Now if you have any doubt, now you ask me your doubts regarding this session. अभी mouse की ये तीनों भी keys important है.
Sir, not understood.
Yes.
The text.
Any doubts? Duplicate करके कैसा बताऊं? प्रोजेक्टर थोड़ी है मेरे कहना पे. प्रोजेक्टर चाहिए और एक सिस्टम चाहिए. प्रोजेक्टर रहा तो आपको दिखा सकते थे. इन स्कूल ऑलरेडी सी हियर योर सिस्टम इज कनेक्टेड विथ प्रोजेक्टर. वो क्या हो गया? डुप्लीकेट ही हो गया ना. और एनीवन हैव डाउट्स?
Sir, sound entry.
हार्ड कॉपी हाउ आई विल सेंड दिस? सॉफ्ट कॉपी यू वांट और हार्ड कॉपी? मोबाइल का कास्टिंग करते हैं बट अपन. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन टीवी फीचर. इफ स्मार्ट टीवी इज देयर, then we can cast with your mobile. अभी मेरा जो क्लास चल रहा है वो भी